On November 15th, WHCC DSPS staff held a workshop to give students some tips and advice about taking tests. They covered many different things, like things to do before the test, multiple choice and true or false question tips, essay exam tips, and how to avoid brain freeze. Although this workshop was run by DSPS staff, it was open to anyone who wanted to join. They also served lunch to those who are interested. If you missed this workshop, don't worry, there will be more. If you need testing assistance, don't be afraid to stop by the DSPS lab for help. You don't need to be a DSPS member to get some great advice on taking tests. The DSPS lab is located in Building Q, Room Q3. Stop by today.